Traditionally, protecting data has been complicated and expensive. The ability to purchase an entire solution at one time isn't always an option, and you can't justify the cost of hiring an in-house expert to manage the process. Your email security renews in a month. Your antivirus and malware renews in 5 months. Your firewall in a year. Content filtering in 7 months, and on top of that, you're lacking network visibility. So how do you make the switch to an all-encompassing unified solution without losing your current investment? You work with a company who understands how all of these events occur. A company who can coordinate and onboard your system at your pace and on your budget and your renewal cycles. Protection from natural disasters, fires, data loss, exfiltration of data, or ransomware is critical. You have all these great ideas to implement, but it's complex. You need a roadmap. ThinkGard creates a roadmap that helps you implement your perfect data protection solution at your pace without breaking your budget. And we do all this for a flat rate which includes management, monitoring, recovery, ongoing support, and incident response. From endpoint protection and disaster recovery to writing your DR plan, data protection is all we do. Talk to one of our experts to see if ThinkGard is right for you.